Hi guys, right, really wet in Benidorm today. And it's still raining. Get up for 12 o'clock now. We'll try and get out and do some later if it stops. It's been a really wet morning. It looks like we've got this most of the week. So yeah, I'm going to struggle on videos a bit this week. I'm going to keep putting some up though. Okay guys, back in the market. There we go. I wander down here, see what this is like. Then past Piccadilly. And the other bars down here. Silver Dollar. Delight to see this one, so yeah, we're going to go down and zoom it up a little bit. There we go. Oh, maybe that's too much. There we go, guys. Pretty busy down here. Again. There'll be a lot of people about at the moment, so I'm just going to do a straight hello to all the people we've met this morning. Absolutely brilliant. In that couple of hours, we've met loads of people. I'm just going to do one big hello to everybody.
Well, I don't know. I think I could look into in that.
You probably remember all the names.
I could do.
The Piccadilly, brilliant bar. We're in there Monday night. Had a great night in there.
Fine song.
There we go. There we are. We carry on down Silver Dollar. They're pretty full moment. Great sun bar. You'll get a seat in there if you're lucky. Yeah, when you're all coming over, there's a few coming over next month.
I think so.
Yeah, get up in the main holiday season then. You know, £20 a night wherever you want, isn't it? I should very much doubt. Probably more like £2 a night. Yeah, the weather's pretty good over here at the moment. So that a little bit cooler today, I think. Yeah, we did have some dark clouds go over earlier. But I told Marcus earlier, we've had our rain for this year. You got to be positive, guys. In down by the Sol Pelicanos now. That's where the mods are stopping.
Yeah, yes it is.
And there.
Tanky Talks and Master Science UK.
Yeah, Tanky Talks and Master Sounds UK. Lee and Scott and Gibby.
Yeah, I forgot, couldn't you?
Okay. I thought a taxi was coming in then. Big barriers up there by the side so you can't get in there. Oh well, never mind. Lots of gift shops down here. Cheap booze shop there.
Bodega.
Bodega, is it? Yeah. There you go. Although known as a wine barrel.
Yeah.
Yeah, easy to remember.
Oh, Smirnoff Ice, French. Yeah, that.
There's Easy Ice scooters. Now just down by the Flash. Might have a bit of music on here. There we go. Brilliant. Yeah, we're not trying to steal anybody's music, YouTube. Just went past the bar. And it's a bit loud, but there you go. Hopefully you won't be able to. You won't copyrights on it. Can't see. There's plenty in here today, mind got a good crowd in. There we go. Hopefully that'll just come out as background music now. Doubt it. But still, there we go. This is what it is. Sure, I'd find some Tchaikovsky or something to put over it. If they copyright me.
Mad Mike.
Like,
Well,
sorry about that, guys. The Calypso.
bit out of breath for you, Dad.
Yeah, I'd got need another drink, I think, Marcus. There we go.
You can have a nice cold pipe when we get that in.
Looks a lovely hotel. Stayed there, let us know what you thought. Obviously it's your opinion that matters. Ours doesn't really, but yeah. And you got the bar.
There
you go. Yep, got the bar out here. They usually got music on and stuff. And the singer. Afternoon. Mr. Tenerife.
It's very cold.
We're going to have to find out what his name is, Marcus. Don't keep calling him that.
Next time I see him, if he isn't busy, I'll
Yeah,
ask him.
haven't seen him for a few weeks though, so.
No, I hope he's okay.
Sure we will meet him again.